This time of year serves as a strong reminder for offering gratitude and thanks to all who support us during the year. The Duquesne University Small Business Development Center extends a heartfelt thank you and deep appreciation to our small business clients who have worked with and supported us throughout the year. It is your support of and belief in the SBDC that has kept this center operational for these last 40+ years. On behalf of all of us here at the Duquesne University Small Business Development Center, we wish you the happiest of holiday seasons.
Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays.